Okay, so in this question, we're going to be asked to find the distance between the points A, which is going to be 3, 4, and then our second point is going to be B, which is the point 7, 1. And so to do this, we're going to need to use our distance formula, which is in the log tables, and I've just written it down here. It's on the coordinate geometry page, so luckily you don't have to memorize this, but we will need to label the points now. So we need our points x1, y1, and x2, y2. And so I've just chosen 3, which is the point A to be x1, y1, and then our point B is going to be x2, y2, which is the point 7, 1. And so now we can simply plug this into our formula. And you can see now we've basically got this square root, and then this kind of 1 minus 4 to be squared, and then our 7 minus 3 to be squared, which we're just going to simplify now in order to find the actual just number here that represents the distance. So we basically get minus 3 to be squared plus 4 to be squared, which is the same as 3 squared plus 4 squared, and so we know that this is going to be the square root of 25. And this is going to be one that's quite familiar because we often come across this, 3 squared plus 4 squared is equal to 5 squared. So basically the square root of 25 is going to be 5. So that's going to be our distance here. So the distance between the points A and B in this question is going to be 5, and so that's going to be it for this video.